Hello everybody, it's Makayla Lysiak, and today we have, you guessed it, a vlog. In this vlog, I'm going to an in-person callback at a film studio. You'll watch me prepare, go to school, and even come with me inside the studio. So keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy. I'm here with a vlog. I am on my way to actually a film studio because I'm getting COVID tested because I have a callback for a TV show, so it's really exciting. That callback is on Thursday, but they have to test me today so that I can come and audition. Today, I have a chance to show you guys what it's like auditioning at a studio. So if you're excited, leave a thumbs up on this video, subscribe, and sorry, I'm really excited. Let's just get into it. We dropped off my siblings at school and I finished all my work last night. Here's a little flashback to what was going on. Currently doing AP Lit homework. I am trying to get done my whole entire list of to-do things so that I can focus on my audition this week, minimize the amount of work that I have to stress about so that I can really just be on top of my game. And you know what? Yes, I do my homework on my bed. I just can't sit at a desk when I've been sitting at a desk for 7 hours at school. It's just more comfortable. I am really scared for my COVID test tomorrow because I went to my school's midwinter. There's a lot of people in midwinter, not a lot of mask wearing because I had a full face of makeup on. I spent 2 hours on my makeup. And for what? For nobody to see it? So I wanted to show it off, you know what I mean? But like now I kind of regret it. But I had a good time and I was looking cute, you know what I'm saying? I was looking nice, I was looking okay. You guys can be the judge of that. Comment down below if you think the look was fire. I did these red nails, paired it with a red lip. I thought that was kind of cool. Let's hope I don't have COVID. That would be tragic. I guess we will just have to wait and see tomorrow when I get my COVID test if everything will be okay. Stay tuned. It's the next day and we're about to go get COVID tested. First vlog of 2022. Can I get a medium Java chip? Yeah. Just finished the COVID testing. It was fine. I didn't really want to film in there because it was kind of awkward. If you guys are wondering why I'm not driving, it's because I don't have a car. Literally the day I'm editing this, I just got a new car. No longer need a chauffeur around with my mom. So I'm gonna show you guys the more realistic side of the city. A lot of homeless and graffiti, but there's really nice parts. Like look at how cute like that little apartment is. There's great spots, but also it's like there's great nice things mixed in with like not so nice things. That's really what the city is. It's like an amalgamation of like all of this stuff.
Have you seen this much activity cleaning before? I haven't.
No.
Hi, fella. What are you staring at me for?
He's so cute.
Why is he wiggling his nose?
Bye. This determines whether I can audition or not. Okay, it says I have to log in. We are negative, babe. I got my COVID result. Negative. It is so windy. Oh my goodness. It is Thursday. Today is the day of the callback. I'm gonna show you guys how I prepare for a callback / in-person audition. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to my original audition tape and look at what I was wearing. Whenever you go to a callback, you're gonna wanna wear the same thing you wore in your original audition so that they recognize you and you look the same. It's something that I've learned in the industry. So here's my outfit that I wore for the original audition, just in case I have a wardrobe malfunction or something spills on my shirt or my pants. I bring something very, very similar. So this is just another shirt that is kind of the same color, but it's a turtleneck, and then I have just regular black leggings. The next thing I'm gonna do is prepare my headshot and my resume. If you guys want any information about headshots and resumes, I have a whole playlist on how you can make your own resume, tips for headshots, so definitely check that out. I don't know if they're gonna take it because of COVID, but you always wanna be prepared. I'm going in to be in front of the directors and all the producers. Usually there's like a whole couch of people. Sometimes they want to look at my credits while they're like listening to me talk to the director about the character, whatever, and they'll ask me questions about the roles I've been in. That's a common thing that happens when you go to a callback. After that, I'm gonna wanna bring my bag of supplies. I have on my outfit. So let me show you what I put in my actor's bag. The actor's bag that I want to use today is this one that I got from Buena Vista Studios in one of their gift shops. So I'm going to put my headshot folder in there first. The next thing I have are my like headshot supplies plus script supplies. I keep it in like a little pencil pouch. I also have my really old actors folder, but this has all my work permits, my SAG number, so if they need my SAG membership ID. This has been with me for literally 9 years. My wallet, my vaccine cards, my script, my makeup, my extra outfit. The last thing is my like emergency hair kit and hygiene kit, hairbrush, like a mini travel styler gel, deodorant, floss, bobby pins, and a toothbrush, just in case there's anything in my teeth. Okay guys, I have my actor's bag and I have my backpack. I don't bring all of this into the audition, but this is the stuff that goes into the car. It's time to go to the callback. I'll see you guys in the car in literally like 1 second. Hey guys, we just got into the studio. We're gonna park in the same like parking area that we did for COVID testing. Super excited! But I really have to pee. Like I have to go so bad. And I didn't drink that much water, but I really have to pee, like I feel it. I gotta go. For a sec. Gotta go. I'm so excited. Just finished my callback. It went really well. It was super fun. I was in a room with like 3 different producers and the director, and then I had a readers. And we'll see what happens, guys. I don't know. I can say that I think I did good. I tried to keep it very natural, not over-rehearsed. I did forget my line at the end. A word of advice for all you newer actors, or if you're going to an in-person call, don't ever just stop when you forget your line. Try and like keep going and improvise. I was like through half my paragraph and I was like, oh snap, I forgot my line. I didn't show it on my face. I kept going and I knew what was going on in the scene. I knew what was happening with the character. So I was able to say things that made sense and get through the rest of the script without me stopping and saying, oh, I'm sorry, wait, can I redo it? I'm really sorry, I forgot my line. Wait, can I take it again? That's really unprofessional. Just so you know, if you guys ever go to an in-person call and you forget your line when you're in the room, just cover and continue, as they say in the business. I will say it's definitely way easier vlogging when you've booked the job than when you're trying to go get a job, because it's kind of unprofessional to just like have your camera up and be like, hey, I'm about to go in the audition room, and like the casting assistants are like, what is she doing? Again, auditions and callbacks are technically job interviews. I'm still trying to get back in the YouTube game. I'm a little rusty, but I'm gonna do my best for y'all, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you had some sort of informational takeaway from this. Maybe you learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe because let's keep growing this community, and I want to keep showing you guys around just the industry stuff, so please comment any vlog ideas that you have. Do you want me to show you around the city of LA? Do you want, like what do you want? So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.